So today we will start our new exercise, that is exercise 10.3. Now see the first question. Draw different pairs of circles. How many points does each pair have in common? What is the maximum number of common points? Now in this we have to tell in how many ways we can draw two circles. Okay, first way will be like this. There will be no common point between two circles. Okay, this is first circle, this is second circle, and there are zero common points. And second will be like this, only outer point will touch both the circles. Okay, so there is only one common point in this type of circles. Okay, so there is only one common point, that is P. Now see the third one. If we will draw the two circles like this, then again there are two common points, one this and one this. So P and Q are the two common points in this way. So this is the last way and there are two common points. Okay, so now see the second question. Question number 2. Suppose you are given a circle, give a construction to find its center. Okay, so what we will do, first of all we will draw a circle. Okay, this is our circle. Now after that we will take arc PQ of the given circle. Suppose we are taking this arc PQ. This is the arc PQ. Okay, this is P and this is Q. Okay, now next point is, take a point R on the arc PQ and draw chords PR and RQ. What we'll do, we'll take point R in this arc. Suppose this is R, and we will draw chords PR. This is PR. Okay, and this is RQ. Now what we will do, third point is, draw perpendicular bisectors of PR and RQ. See, this is PR. How we will draw the perpendicular bisector of PR? You will take rounder. In this rounder, you will take more than half distance of this PR. Okay, how much distance you will take? Suppose this is your rounder. Okay, so you will take more than half distance of this PR. Suppose it is this much. Okay, then you will draw one arc here and one arc downside. Okay, here, like this. Now in the same way, with P as center and same radius, you will draw again arc to intersect those previous arcs, like this. Okay, so we got 2 points. Now with the scale we will join these 2 points like this. So this is the perpendicular bisector of PR. Okay, now similarly we will draw the perpendicular bisector of RQ also. You will take more than half distance of this RQ, and first of all with R as center we will draw an arc here and one here. Okay, now with Q as center you will draw an arc here and one here. Now we will join these 2 points like this. Okay, now what is given in our third point? These perpendicular bisectors intersect at point O. Now these two perpendicular bisectors intersect at this point. Now this is our center. Okay, center of circle is this point. So at last you can write, hence point O is the center of the given circle. Thank you everyone. If you like my videos, please like, subscribe and share my channel, and stay connected with A1 study classes.